Two. What's next, Mommy? Mommy, what's next?
What about the N?
This one?
Sure. That's not N, but you can do that one. What letter is it?
What's next?
What about one at the top?
Well, I can't see it.
We gotta stand up.
No, one right here and one right here. So I gotta sit down.
Oh, okay. What letter is that?
D. D says do. D says do. This is E.
That one's E?
Yes.
I think it's a different letter.
No, it's E. It says it says L.
Do you read why they're selling that one? It says we're selling it because we're expecting number 3 when we have to get a minivan. Do you like that one?